Hey, and welcome to Scribble Practice. Only today we're not going to be scribbling because, quite honestly, I just came in to the studio and all I wanted to do was fold these pieces of paper together and into accordions. That's what I felt like doing. So I know that's super random, and I kind of fought with myself for a little while because I said, that is not scribbling, and the purpose here is scribbling. So my mind was saying no when my creative voice and heart and spirit were saying yes. And so often I choose to listen to my mind rather than going with my heart and making these silly little accordions. Because in the end, really, does it matter? It doesn't matter whether this is scribbling or not. We're just creating. So I encourage you today to either join me in creating these little accordions. They don't need to be colored. They can just be strips of paper or whatever you have lying around that you could do this with. Or you can go ahead and do something that you've been really craving doing and have been saying it's silly and not worth it. Yeah, what would that be? What is that? What is it that you want to do badly, but you don't because it seems too silly? Now, this is interesting because sometimes we don't know what that is. We don't know what that thing is because you really have to listen. And listening takes practice for sure. At least it did for me. It does for me on a constantly have to be listening. Otherwise, I miss what it is that I'm actually being called to do or feeling the need to do, because that to-do list gets in the way, or the idea of being productive gets in the way, or the list goes on. Those are the ones that I can think of right now. But the thing is that you never really do know why it is that you're craving to create something. At least I don't. I never really know why it is. And I don't really feel the need to know why. There could be a ripple effect from just doing this. Whether I was filming it or not, there could be an energetic ripple effect just from me creating what I felt like I needed to create, or maybe the movement of my hand back and forth. I will say that I am finding this incredibly relaxing. I know people who do origami as like a way to chill out from anxiety and just get into a rhythm, I guess. And that is what is happening for me. I don't know if I would call this origami, but maybe it is. I'm kind of having the urge to try dipping these accordions that don't have color on them into some really watered down paint. So I'm looking around the studio to see if I can manage that. I might have to do a little edit if I decide to go that route. For now, I'm gonna just keep on. So did you decide to do this as well, making some accordion ones? Or did you go ahead and get your pencil crayons or your crayons or your markers out, and are you scribbling to the sound of the music instead? Maybe the sound of the paper flipping back and forth. And the sound of my voice. I'm curious. Interesting because I have these paper strips in different paper weights. So these are the thinnest that I have, and I've been trying to think of why I have this thin weight of paper. I know why I have the other ones, but I don't know why I have this weight. I can't think of why, so maybe they've just been hanging out for that long. I don't know. I don't know why. This will be interesting because this one is so much wider. An accordion chair. Oh, I just happen to have another one off to the side so that I can make one more. Yay. The rhythm of this is so calming for me. I'm enjoying spinning the piece of paper in my hand so much. It's great. I can see tiring of it at some point, but I'm not there yet. Another accordion chair. Woohoo! Or what is that? A pogo stick. Pogo stick chairs. Okay, so how many did I make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! 10! Wow, that is already 10 minutes. That went by so quickly. So I think that what I'll do is I'm gonna dip these for tomorrow. I'm gonna dip these for tomorrow's scribble practice. Okay, if you'd like to do another scribble practice with me, you can click on this video right here. Otherwise, I will see you again tomorrow, and bye for now.